Okay, this is a book for our summertime to study. It's called uh, Visual Visual Deep Sky Observation, something like that. And let's open and see what is it anyway. Packed very well. Let's just open this second pack, and there is a third package. So that layer is removed. Now we have a third layer that has to be removed. Oh, Visual Astronomy of the Deep Sky. That's a rare book, and we want to use it for summertime. And let me just see what can I do. First I will disinfect it a bit, at least the cover. Okay, I have now disinfected it. I'm grateful for this book to be have been sent for us. It will be put in good use. Visual Astronomy of the Deep Sky by Roger N. Clark, PhD, Cambridge University, which was authorized to publish books by the King Henry VIII in 1584. And the Sky Publishing Corporation have cooperated with them. First published in 1990s, and it seems there was no further publication. Probably it was too complicated for many users. This is the book. We go to the contents about this book: the human eye, the eye and the telescope. So the fainter stars, a star visible in a telescope. Making drawings and keeping records, that's all you need. A case study, the Whirlpool Galaxy, Messier 51. A visual atlas of deep sky objects. And it goes on to the end of the book in page 244, then has appendices, suggested reading, the star clusters for finding your limiting magnitude, air mass, atmospheric extinction and other calculations, symbols and their definitions, a catalog of deep sky objects, optimum detection, magnifications for deep sky objects, and bibliography and index. I must say it's a very comprehensive book. It has a photograph credits, like all the star books. Most comprehensive study, at least available to me, of the issues about vision and seeing. So you can see, for example, M42. This is M42. As you see, overexposed image. You don't see any detail. For all my childhood, I was wondering when they said, what is trapezium? I could not see trapezium in any of the photographs, but I could see these little stars there, and I was thinking this is the trapezium. And if they were not overexposed and they were providing some drawings, it was better. And you see the more drawings of the. Actually, I've seen these wisps with my Meade LX90 and LX200 Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope. And this is a central part at the Hubble Space Telescope or something like that. No, it's not Hubble. But you see the two stars, Theta is somewhere here, blurred, and that's what you will see in reality. So drawing is superior in that case for me. And this is really nice. Oh, that's the Horsehead Nebula. I've seen something like this, but I never could see it. Probably my sky is not as dark. I used filter even, I couldn't see. I could see wisps around here, but the silhouette of this dark against bright background, I never could see it. I have to try to photograph it. But I could see the Flame Nebula actually. The Flame Nebula, which is somewhere here. Yeah, I could see the Flame Nebula clearly. And all around this area, all around the stars here, the belt of the Orion, you can actually see the nebulosity here. So this is a nice book in that sense that it has drawings. I like the fact that they show this this is one of the planetary nebula, M46. It's the photograph, and this is the drawing of it. Drawing, I found it more useful than a photograph. Photograph is overexposed, it shows more than what you can actually see. But drawing is really helpful. Somebody has looked at it. The same here with nebulosity here, you don't see it here. Or faintly you see it if you have the original print. In this one I can barely see it. But in this one you can see there is nebulosity here. Well, at least I can see. And this is the what you can see: galaxies, faint fuzzies. Oh, I like this book. This is for me a new development. I have seen a lot of drawings, but this is one. Oh, Swan Nebula. Swan Nebula at M17. Oh, that's the book. I think that we will put it at good use. I will use it in the summer. Or even this, yeah, that's what I mean. In the summer camp, we are going to use it. And campfire. And in the daylight, we can read this. So all the activities. Exciting book. Oh, that was. I saw M31 here somewhere. Was that right? Oh yeah, Andromeda Galaxy. This is what you will see. The hint of the one of the spiral arms. So practically, this white area you see is dark practically, and what you see as white, black or gray, is actually what is bright. So you can make a reverse so you see it better. That is used with the 8-inch telescope. So looking forward to see that. Oh, I love this book. This is so nice. And totally in this book is, let me see how many pages. We have around 4 or 5 blank pages here at the end. 353. It's not available. I was lucky, and the gentleman who sold it to me was really kind enough to accept the postage. £35 we bought it, but this one, if you can't find this out of print for whatever reason, £135 if you can, if you're lucky. There's a few pages of it available online, you can look at it, but the important part, which are these charts, are not there. You can see around 40 pages of this. I'm so delighted that we have now this book, and looking forward to read and enjoy this book with everybody else.